Hey nail bestie, hi, how are you? It's been a while, I know. But today I will be unboxing something special. I have it right here, and I even have a camera so you can see what I'm gonna be unboxing. I received this package from Maniology. I'm officially part of the Maniology team, and I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. I haven't opened it yet, so you're going to see it for the first time with me. So let's get into it. So it's a little sticky, and because it came from Hawaii, and you know, this whole heat wave situation, all of this is like melted off. Okay. Okay, nail lacquer. See this? Oh, got a card. Okay, got a card. Creativity just a click away. Oh, stamping starter kit. Look at that. And swirls. I had to choose the swirls because I love swirls. You got Craft Your Joy for Maniology. And we have here, oh, we have this slip, but you don't need to see this. So put this down. We got this going on. I think we can move this over, but here you go. Place it on the table so you guys can see what's in here. I have. All right, now to open it, I'm gonna try to use my nails because, you know, my nails might be a box cutter, and maybe not. This is really sticky sticker, but as you can see, my press-on nails, and as you can see, I made the Hey Nail Bestie logo come to life. All right, so this is a starter kit. Swirls stamping starter kit. Ooh, okay. Move this over. Oh, this is pretty. Can you see that? That's very pretty. The swirls are very pretty. And it has a booklet in the back. Starter kit stamping guide. And it gives you directions to stamp away. Oddly satisfying, so fresh, so clean. Work quickly, skip the mess, unlike your creative side. And I got this here, which is the plastic, so you can start swiping off the polish off of the stamping plate, and it matches the stamping plate too, so that's really pretty. I have to just take it out and hold, because testing my nails right now. There you go. Oh, so this is the stamp right here. That should open it, see how it actually works. Ooh, it's really nice. I like it. You can actually hold it well while you're stamping the nail. Really pretty. And we have the Stamping Duo, just a nail lacquer. Guessing that this is like the color, and then you got the base. Pretty cute. So do you just take it out? I'm trying to miss it. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Stamping Duo. As you can see here. Love it. Put this back. Close this up. I want to put it on the side so I'm not getting confused. And now we're going to open one of the sides here. Testing my nails. I am testing my nail again. Testing my nail. Let's see. Remember, these are press-on, guys. These are my press-ons that I done. So. Okay. Oh. Did I open it on the right side? I think I did. And on the top it says Swatch Me. The 𝓗𝓮𝓂. Yeah, the 𝓗𝓮𝓂. But we're gonna see the colors. I fell in love once I saw it. I was like, oh, I gotta try these colors. Hold on. No way. Oh, it looks better in person. What in the world? These colors are pretty. Put this back in the box. I am like somewhat a neat freak. I like everything in its place and stuff. So move this over, and you can see here we got lunar lines. You can see lunar lines. Push that in there so you can see clearly. Lunar lines. It's a very dark purple. I love it. Love it. And we have here Cosmic Latte. Oh, hello. This is really nice. I love this color. Have Opus 1, very nice, like a lime green. 𝓗𝓮𝓂, okay, 𝓗𝓮𝓂. Love the name, so cute. Then we have here 𝓗𝓚, if I'm saying it correctly. 𝓗𝓚 or 𝓗𝓚? A little bit more, I would have been saying croissant. Croissant. But this right here, yes. And I got Psychedelic Stereo. Ooh. And it matches my nail brand. I think that's why I got the color, because it has like my nail brand color. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Maniology, for sending this my way. I'm excited to start creating with these goodies. And stay tuned, because I'll be showing you a tutorial with everything that you see here. So we're gonna be creating some magic. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye now, bestie. Bye.